Shall we make eye of round with Madeira sauce? I assure you it's really easy to make. We're going to start with the pressure cooker, adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 chopped onion. Let's saute it a bit and then we'll add 2 chopped garlic cloves. Mix it well. I'm going to add a bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to give it some color. Mix it well. And to this mixture, I'll add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. You can use the seasonings you like. Okay, this is just a suggestion for that mix. And 1.2 key of eye of round is just seasoned with salt and black pepper. Okay? I'm going to add 2 cups of water. You don't need to brown the eye of round, but if you want to, you can. 2 cups of water. Cover the pot, let it come to pressure. Once it reaches pressure, count 40 minutes, wait for the pressure to release, take it out of the pot, and now I'm going to strain the sauce that's left. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, add 100 ml of Madeira wine or dry red wine, mix it and stir well until all the flour lumps dissolve. Now in the pot, we're going to add that sauce, this mixture of wine and flour, and let it thicken. It will turn into a nice creamy brown sauce, okay guys? Just let it boil, it will thicken nicely, and then we add it. 100 grams of sliced mushrooms, it can be fresh mushrooms if you like, and also slice the beef. I like it at this point when it's not dry. I like it slightly pink in the middle, just like roast beef. But if you like it well done, feel free. Place the slices on a platter and pour the sauce on top. I pour all the sauce and then add a bit of green onion on top for a special touch. But if you prefer, you can use parsley or any other herb you like. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with people you know, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Take care and let me know what you think.